Hire a good real estate agent. A good real estate agent comes with a lot of expertise and knowledge of the market, experience of working with both sellers and buyers. We have seen many different things happen over, every transaction. And on top of just dealing with buyers and sellers all the time and being able to provide that guidance to you, because chances are we have been in a situation you might be in. You are most likely selling only one property at a time, one property every, 5, 7, 10 years, right? We deal with multiples every month. So if anything, a good real estate agent can always guide you on the right course of action in every particular situation. And on top of it, we do come with our resources. And by resources, I mean, for instance, here at the Ben Lawless team, we have our in-house marketing team that takes care of photos, videos, 3D walkthroughs and the floor plan, all those things. We control the quality of that and the turnaround time here in-house, which allows us to make any changes if needed. And that is no cost to you, no additional cost to you. That's included in our commission. On top of it, a good real estate agent will always keep an open line of communication with you and will notify you of any changes on the market, whether those are bad things or good things.